Welcome back to Infinite Scientific Exploration. Today we're taking a journey into the cosmic abyss, not to explore distant galaxies, but to confront a more sobering reality: the potential for our own extinction. We like to think we're pretty secure here on Earth. After all, we've been around for a while, haven't we? But the universe is full of surprises, and not all of them are pleasant. Just ask the dinosaurs wiped out by an asteroid impact 66 million years ago. Over the next few minutes, we'll delve into 5 possible human extinction events that could spell the end for humanity. These aren't just science fiction scenarios, they're real threats backed by scientific evidence. So buckle up, because things are about to get real. Imagine a volcano, not just any volcano, but a supervolcano capable of erupting with a force thousands of times greater than any eruption in recorded history. These geological giants slumber beneath our feet, capable of unleashing unimaginable fury. Yellowstone National Park, for example, sits atop one such supervolcano. A supervolcanic eruption wouldn't just be a local disaster, it would be a global catastrophe. Millions of tons of ash and sulfur dioxide would be ejected into the atmosphere, blocking out the sun and plunging the planet into a volcanic winter. Temperatures would plummet, crops would fail, and ecosystems would collapse. The air itself would become hazardous to breathe, filled with toxic gases and ash. Civilization as we know it would grind to a halt. Think of the chaos following a major earthquake or hurricane, then multiply that by 1,000. That's the potential devastation of a supervolcanic eruption. We've all seen the disaster movies. A giant asteroid hurtling towards Earth, threatening to wipe out all life. While Hollywood might embellish the drama, the threat of an asteroid impact is very real. Space is littered with asteroids, remnants from the early solar system, and some of them are on a collision course with Earth. Most of these are small and burn up in the atmosphere, creating harmless meteor showers. But every once in a while, a big one comes along, an asteroid miles wide, carrying enough energy to unleash a global cataclysm. An impact would trigger earthquakes, tsunamis, and wildfires on an unimaginable scale. The dust and debris ejected into the atmosphere would block out the sun, leading to a prolonged impact winter. The dinosaurs, remember, were wiped out by just such an event. The question isn't if another large asteroid will hit Earth, but when. Nuclear war. I bet you didn't know the threat of nuclear war has loomed over humanity since World War II. These weapons can obliterate entire cities in a single blast. A limited number of detonations would release massive soot and smoke. This would block sunlight, causing a nuclear winter. The resulting famine and societal breakdown would be catastrophic. Nuclear war is a self-inflicted wound, a testament to humanity's self-destruction. Global pandemic, the silent killer. Throughout history, infectious diseases have ravaged humanity, from the Black Death in the 14th century to the 1918 influenza pandemic. Today, with global travel and dense urban populations, a new and highly contagious pathogen could spread around the world with terrifying speed. Imagine a virus, more contagious than the common cold, more lethal than Ebola, spreading silently through the air, through casual contact. Hospitals would be overwhelmed, healthcare systems would collapse, and essential services would grind to a halt. Panic would grip the world as people desperately searched for a cure, for a vaccine, for any hope of survival. The fabric of society would unravel as people turned on each other in a desperate struggle for resources. A global pandemic wouldn't be a war fought with guns and bombs. It would be a war waged against an invisible enemy, a war that could potentially bring humanity to its knees. Uncontrolled artificial intelligence. When machines surpass their makers, artificial intelligence is rapidly becoming a reality. We're developing machines capable of surpassing human intelligence in specific tasks. But what happens when AI no longer needs us? When machines develop their own goals not aligning with ours, the potential for uncontrolled AI to pose an existential threat is real. The future of humanity, a choice between hope and oblivion. So, there you have it. 5 potential human extinction events that should give us all pause. It's a sobering thought, isn't it? But remember, knowledge is power. By understanding the threats we face, we can start to prepare for them, to mitigate the risks, and hopefully, to avoid the fate of the dinosaurs. Don't forget to subscribe to Infinite Scientific Exploration for more thought-provoking explorations of the universe and our place in it, and leave a comment below on which extinction event you think is most likely or if we missed any. Until next time, keep looking up and keep asking questions.